gather round. Cargo pockets, worry no more. Welcome back to my channel. I am an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to form and make a cargo pocket. So on my first line, I'll be measuring out 2.5 inches and ruling out the line before measuring the second line, which is 6 inches. I will also rule the line and get onto the second line, which is the final line, 2.5 inches same, and I will cut off the excess fabric. So on the sides, I will still mark out 2.5 inches on both sides. Here I am marking out 6 inches with 2.5 inches by the side because I need a perfect square. Then rule my lines. And cut out the excess fabric. So now I will find the midpoint of 2.5 inches and place it across the point of intersection and mark out. I will also measure out 2.5 inches as the height on both sides. So over here, I'll be cutting out this angle, giving it almost half an inch space. This is to prevent bulkiness on the sides of the pocket after folding the top parts of the pocket. So I'll be fold picking to sew a zigzag line. Okay, let me outline the actual stem so that you'll understand the movement of my sewing better. As you fold pick, make sure the intersection point aligns well with the end of the fabric. So here is the movement proper for this sewing. So over here at the sewing machine, I'll be running my stitch. Are you new to my channel? Here on this channel, I do mostly DIY. So if this is something that interests you, please subscribe. Click the like button, share, and leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make any posts. And don't forget to always leave your thoughts in the comments below. So here is an almost ready cargo pocket. You see how it's standing now. I'll be trimming off the excesses to allow me to turn inside out. So I'm notching the edges for proper relaxation after I turn inside out. So you see this, is it V-line or zigzag? That is the root of our pocket. And if yours didn't turn out like this, just abort mission. Okay, so here I am folding the top part of the pocket. Have you seen why I cut off those areas of the pocket so that it will not be bulky? In fact, let's be going, you will understand better while we proceed. So here I'll be fold picking again to run stitches along the edges and the bottom of the pocket to give it shape and form. Okay, now as the top side is completed, let's do the under side. And this is the part where you stitch onto your trouser. So I will also be running a double stitch across or around it. Don't worry, we are at the final lap of the pocket making, and I hope this video will be helpful to you in your cargo pocket making adventures. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you try this out on your own at your leisure and free time. And now our pocket is ready. I hope you are impressed by this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.